Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a reverse balayage. It's a very popular service, especially since fall is almost upon us. We're gonna start at the roots. I'll be using L'Oreal Demi-Permanent line. For the roots, I'll be using 6.0 and 6.01. For the lowlights, I have two color mixed up, which is 9N and 7.8. First, divide the hair into 4 sections, then paint the line of each parting. I recommend starting at the back first if it takes you a while to go through each section. I take about an inch of hair and I make sure to fully saturate each section. If you want to learn step by step how I do the roots, I'll link my root touch-up tutorial down below on the description box. Now it's time to do lowlights using the 7.8. I'll be doing horizontal slices because it gives more coverage. I wouldn't recommend doing weaves because it can make the lowlight look stripy. A little tip to save you some time is to pre-cut your foils if you know how long your client's hair is. Now moving on to the second lowlight, I'll be using the 9N and running it through the blonde pieces I left out. I also use a 7.8 on the mids of the hair to give a better blend and more dimension. Now it's time to tone everything together. I'll be using 8N, 7.8 and 8.2 in equal parts and 10 vol. To make sure it's a little more opaque since we used a demi-permanent color, I'll leave it on for about 10 minutes and make sure I run the color through mids and ends. After all that's done, it's time to style the hair. My client wanted a classic blowout look. If you want a more in-depth video, I'll link my step-by-step blowout tutorial on the description box. And we are all done. Look how rich and shiny this color looks. Thank you for watching. Comment any other hair videos you would like to see down below.